In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a screenshot into Microsoft Word. By the end, you'll know the simplest, built-in way to capture what's on your screen and place it directly into your document without leaving Word. First, make sure the window you want to capture is open on your screen. Bring it to the front and arrange it exactly how you want it to appear in your document. Clean up any distracting notifications or private details, set the right zoom level, and scroll to the precise area you want to show. If a window is minimized, Word can't see it, so keep it open and visible. A quick tip here. What you see on your screen is what Word will capture, so take a second to frame it just right. Now switch to your Word document and get ready to place the screenshot. Wherever your text cursor sits is where the image will appear, so position it in the spot that makes sense for your layout. Then, go to the ribbon at the top and open the Insert tab. This is where Word keeps all its tools for adding content like images, shapes, and, in our case, screenshots. Next, click the Screenshot command. Word will show you a gallery of thumbnails labeled as Available Windows. These are live previews of the windows that are currently open on your computer. If you don't see the window you prepared, bring that window to the front and wait a moment for it to appear in the gallery. When you see it, click its thumbnail, and Word will instantly insert a full window screenshot right into your document at the cursor location. You'll notice the screenshot behaves like a picture. That means you can select it and, if needed, make basic adjustments just as you would with any image. Keep in mind, the clarity of the screenshot depends on how it looked on your screen when you captured it, so sharper on-screen text and proper zoom generally lead to better results inside Word. That's all there is to it. Open the window you want to capture, head to the Insert tab in Word, and use the Screenshot command to drop it straight into your document. This approach is fast, consistent, and ideal for tutorials, reports, or any time you need to show exactly what's on your screen. If you prepare the content in the target window first and keep it visible, the process is essentially one click from inside Word. Thanks for following along, and enjoy creating cleaner, more illustrative Word documents with quick, accurate screenshots.